I highly recommend this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to say, guys, like, hey, I haven't seen you in like so long. I had a video that I made. It was a cute video, you know what I'm saying? It was like a get ready with me. And I don't know if I should post it, but I probably am. And anyways, it's cute. It's just like a light glam. Boo. A light glam. Boo. But anyways, I have this Lemonade Craze palette. Let me show you guys the close. It's by Maybelline. I've already did some looks on this look. Like, I wore it to work. I did a strawberry lemonade look, and then when I was at home I did a peach lemonade. It was okay, boo. Okay, but today we're gonna be doing a lemonade pop look. Ooh. I'm excited. So as you guys know, I am a makeup artist. I'm not certified yet, but I'm going to be certified. This has been a passion for mine for a long time. Since I was in middle school, I wanted to start doing YouTube. But now I am.
So hey, welcome to the channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to. I'm not pressuring you, only if you want to. But anywho, yeah.
But anywho, so I haven't did nothing. Like, I'm barefaced. So what I'm gonna actually do is I'm going to go in with my 111 Skins. It's like this hydrating gel. All right. I'm only gonna take a little bit. Here, my cat. Sometimes I use, it's either that or I use aloe vera. Girl, this stuff works wonders. Let me tell you, if I don't put makeup on, I just put that junk on. After I wash my face and I call it a day. Like, my cat wants to come.
That's my cat. You want to see her? Her name is Faith. She is so cute, guys. Look at her. I'm probably like choking her. Look. Oh, Faith.
But anywho's, back to the tutorial. I also like to put like, this is let me see. This okay, I have like a million of these. This is coconut. Yeah, this is a coconut one. I'm gonna read off of this one. It's a moisturizing lock coconut oil infused lip treatment by Milani. I have it in rose and coconut, but I use the rose at night and the coconut in the morning, because the coconut is supposed to be like healing. I mean, not healing. The rose is healing, and then this one is moisturizing. So you guys know my eyebrow steps, girl. We not on the Milani. I mean, we ain't got the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but we broke and we bougie. Anyways, we got this Maybelline Eyeshadow Studios, New York, you know, girl. Yeah, I use this for my eyebrows. Handy dandy elf mirror. So today's brows are just like settle, but not
Dramatic. You know, because girl, I be doing them dramatic.
I be doing them dramatic behind eyebrows. It's okay though. It's okay, girl. It's okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like clean it up with some concealer, you know, stuff like that. But before I do that, I'm actually gonna go in with a Milani eyeshadow primer. So we can prime our eyes, girl. We can prime these eyebrows. Not eyebrows. I'm sorry that I'm looking this way. This is where my mirror is. I mean, this is giving you a full-on detail on what I'm doing. You can see it better. Alright. So now I'm going to clean my brows up. I don't really feel like doing a full face. Maybe just some eyeshadow and so I just take like an angled brush like this and I go in like circular motions. But first I like to like bring it down. See, like so. And I'm gonna take this gel and I'm gonna put it on my brows. Like so. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put like some concealer in certain spots on my face.
You know what's happening.
So I'm gonna take this same exact concealer and there's a blemish right there. Right there. I don't have that many blemishes. And then I'm gonna go in with my other concealer. Darken it up just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna take a brush. Pat in there. Like so. Do you see how it's covering it? Guys, covering it. You tap in a motion like, you know, like that. Like, oh. You see that was? Like, it wasn't that much. No, it's not that much of nothing. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set right here. So now on to the eyeshadow. Okay, so on the back of this palette, it actually has like different looks to do. I already did these two. I'm on to this one now. So it's called Lemonade Pop. I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush that's like a C, like so. Personal. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap into this color right here that's called Sunny. Take my e.l.f. mirror, girl. Alright, and then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna pat that all over my lid. Like so. The reason why you're putting it all over your lid is because you want a base for all your shadows to go on. You don't want to just blend in colors because it won't look right, and it won't be cute, girl. It won't be cute. But let me tell you something. No matter how you do your makeup, no matter how you do it your way, your style is beautiful for you because you are unique and you are beautiful. And whatever you do is your own personal way and your own personal style. Do you, boo? But I'm showing you how I do it, boo. You know. So on the back it says blend old fashioned, which old fashioned is this color right here. It's like a dark brown, like a doodle brown, if you get what I'm saying. Get my draft up. So I have actually two kinds of blending brushes, which I'm gonna show you. And I'm gonna show you the difference of what kind of brushes I use for different kinds of looks. So these are two different kinds of blending brushes. If I'm going to take a dark color, I would take this one just to do my crease, and then I would take the fluffier one to bring the other color up around my brow bone. So I'm going to take the smaller one to pick up Old Fashioned, and then I'm not dipping it in like that, I'm dipping it in like this. I'm going to take that into the crease. And this is our transitioning color. Like so. So I'm just gonna keep going into this color, into my crease until I feel satisfied. So the next shade I'm going to be going in with is Lemon Craze. So that's what I'm going to take this big blending brush. I'm going to go in with it. You see what I'm saying? It's a really pretty color, guys. So I'm just going to take this way above that color that I just put. Looks okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush. This is like an angled brush because it wants you to take main squeeze and put it in there. This is your tongue concealer, boo. I feel like we should go in with this. So it's almost a finished look, guys. But what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take the color Old Fashioned. Okay, so these are my lashes I'm installing, guys, that I'm gonna put on. So let's get into it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure them on my lash line and see how big they are. So if you guys are doing like your friends or like customers eyelashes, do not blow on them. So these are the lashes, sweeties. Like, I gotta put liner on them. These, like, I gotta put liner on them. So the liner I'm gonna take is actually called Essence. So it's gonna be clean. Now it's time for the wing. Girl, like when I tell y'all I'm finna advertise these legend, bitch. Advertise these legends. Where's my marker? It's a marker. I got 2 of these. I just realized that. Dang. Y'all probably like, why does she use so many liners? So now I'm just gonna take some concealer and I'm just gonna. I hate having to darken it because, like, bro. I did it, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you want, and leave comments down below and let me know what you guys think or what I should do next. Thank you.